Assalamualaikum and hi guys. Meet me again in chapter 1, number sequence and patterns. In this section, we are going to determine specific terms of a sequence, and then we will try to solve problems involving sequence. Okay, let's see example number 1. Now before that, terms for a sequence is known as the nth term, ataupun kita panggil sebutan yang keberapa. Okay, now let's see example here. Let's say we have a sequence of 10, 20, 30 and 40 and go on until x. Now 10, since it is the first in the sequence, so we call it T or terms number 1, the first term, and is always labeled as T subscript 1. And 20, it is the second term, and we write the second term as T subscript 2. 2 here means it is the second term in the sequence. And 30 is T3, 40 is T4, and so on until we call it Tn. So n can be any term that you like to find. Maybe you want to find terms number 10 or terms number 20, terms the 100th terms or the 50th term, ya. Mungkin kita nak cari sebutan yang ke-10, sebutan yang ke-20. What is the sebutan yang ke-1000 maybe? Okay. But here, since we are going to just use a listing method with this example, now state the 6 terms for the sequence below. Now we have the sequence of -1, -4, -7 and so on. So -1 is term number 1 or the first term. -4 is terms number 2 or the second term. And -7 is the third term. What do we need to find? We need to find what is the number for the 6th term. Now the sequence, the pattern of the sequence is -3 from the previous number. Okay, -3 from the previous number. So we can find what is terms number 4 and what is terms number 5 and what is terms number 6 by just subtract 3 from the previous number. So terms number 6, the value is -16. Right, the pattern is subtract 3 and the terms number 6 is equals to -16. Okay, let's see example or question number 2. State the 6th term for the sequence below. Now what is the sequence? Now the sequence here is 4, 9, 14 and so on. We just label as T1, T2, T3 until T6. We need to get or to determine what is the number for terms number 6. Okay, first we have to know what is the pattern. The pattern is +5. So we are going to +5 for every number. From terms number 3 here is 14. So to get terms number 4, you just +5. You get 19. And then you +5 again to get terms number 5. Then you +5 again to get terms number 6. The pattern is +5 and the terms number 6 is equals to 29. Easy, isn't it? Alright, now let's try to solve problems here. Over here, Puan Ellie arranges her plates as in the diagram here. As in the diagram. If she needs to arrange up to 9th order, how many plates are needed by Puan Ellie to get the arrangement as in the diagram? Okay, now here you have the first order is we can name as terms number 1, and then followed by terms number 2, terms number 3, terms number 4, and remember that Puan Ellie needs to have until terms number 9. So how do we do it? We need to get what are the numbers for all terms from T1 until T9. Now you must understand the question. She does not only want the number for the 9th or terms number 9. She needs to know the total number of plates if she were to have 9 arrangement of plates. Okay, so what is T1? T1 is 2 plates, and T2 is 5 plates. T3 here you have 8 plates, and T4 here, if you count, you have 11 plates. So what do you think will be the 5th arrangement? What do you think will be the 5th arrangement? You can just follow or find the pattern here. Now from 2 to 5, how do we get 5 from 2? Okay, so here you are actually adding. You just add 3, and then here you add 3, you add 3. To get here also, we just add 3 to the previous number. So to get T6, we just add 3, and then T7 you add 3, you get 20. T8 you add 3, you get 23, and you add 3, you get 25. So terms number 9 will have to have 25 plates. Terms number 8, you have 23 plates. Term number 7, you have 20 plates. Term number 6, 17 plates. Terms number 5, 14 plates. Okay, so to get the total, we just plus all these plates, and is equivalent to 100. Therefore, Puan Ellie needs 100 plates in order for her to arrange up to 9 order. Thank you for watching. If you find this video benefits you, please like, share, and subscribe. See you again. Bye bye.